Saque de banda para
So tonight is the Champions League final here in Benidorm. Arsenal versus PSG. And I'm starting here tonight at Sol Pelicanos. They have set it, that massive screen down there between the pools. But it's in Spanish, and I don't know why. Because I think the majority of their audience is not Spanish here. But I'm gonna take you guys for a walk through Benidorm during the Champions League finals. I'm gonna start at the beach, I think. The best way to watch it, of course, when you're in Benidorm is between the palm trees with an ocean view. Then afterwards I'm gonna continue through the strip, checking out how the atmosphere is right over there. So walk along with me today.
It was the right idea because there was a bit of space between Saliba and Gabriel.
So right down there at the other bar, it was already in English. That's a really good thing. And if you enjoy these videos, then please do give it a like. Really promotes it well on YouTube, then appreciate that. There we are at the beach. Really emptied out after a really busy afternoon here. Still is 27 degrees here, beautiful weather. Not every single bar is showing the game. Right over there and at the Stars bar, people are enjoying their cocktails. Really busy down here at Tiki Beach. But there are multiple kind of people watching. People are partying, people are watching the game. People are watching the people that are watching the game. Yeah, this bar always pulls a large crowd over here. Even while it has already expanded. Their expansion opened a week ago, I believe. It's still rammed, completely packed. But it's not only this bar, it's about every single bar, I believe, on the beach.
Yeah.
Games in Glasgow too, with every medal exclusively on TNT Sports and HBO Max. It all kicks off on the 23rd of July. Right, so what we're hearing things out of this game.
Restaurants are just empty except for Food Street, but those people are mostly watching the game. Now let's head on to the Strip. Want to see over there how crazy it gets.
Competitions tonight, the host of 18 in Europe's top 5 leagues, and most they played in a single season for 46 years, when they ended up playing 70, which remains the club record. They've got a great squad, they've got a deep squad, and everybody's playing their part. Now it's about seeing the job through here in the Puskas Arena in Budapest. This is Trossard supported here by watching goes in the way by the captain Marquinhos. Rescuing Kushner from Trossard.
¿Te lo de?
She actually don't like that for Pabels again. I really don't like it. There's a short space on that side. There's also not been that ball into
Well, it wasn't that crazy or anything. Everything was calm. Also, I've seen lots of buses picking people up or dropping people off. I think that's also one of the reasons why it was quite calm this day. Many people coming back from the beach from the day out. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see what I do on a day off, I've got a video of that over here.